busy pa rin natin na maayos yung macros natin and calories. Mag-stick pa rin tayo sa goal natin. Samahan nyo ulit ako ngayong araw. Let's go. Tapos na kami mag-film sa isang subject namin. So right now, sa isang subject naman, yung papa-survey kami. Sabi na mga tropa.
Send your message to audiences across broadcast when all this reach meets every the number of consumers who hear it.
Chicken breast. Post-workout. Let's go. Last meal mga boss. So yun guys, that's it for today. So, day 33 ng cutting pace natin. So medyo busy yung araw pero natawid natin na maayos. And na-hit natin na maayos yung macros natin. So lagi ko na dito yung total macros and calories. So that's it for today. Tomorrow is rest day. So pahinga na tayo guys. See you tomorrow.